Let's see another question. Question number 16. Consider the following language. Here's denote element of L1. WW can or WE comma B to star. L2 WW power R WE comma B star, where WR is the reverse of W. L3 equal to 0 to the power 2I, where I is an integer, and L4 0 to the power 0 to the power I to the power 2, where I is an integer. A only L1 and L2. B only L2 L3 L4. C only L1 L4. D only L3. So our answer is A. At every out of the given language only L3 is regular. Here's detailed analysis of each language and why regular or non-regular. Firstly, L1. This language represents string formed by concatenation to identical string of any length made up of characters as in B. It's not regular because regular expression cannot be captured the dependencies between the two W's, requiring them to be the same. Regular expression can only handle fixed length repetition or repetition without such a dependency. L2. This language represents string where the first half is identical to the reverse second half. It's also not regular. Similar to L1, regular expression cannot express the need for the first half to be the reverse of the second half. L3. This language represents string starting with 0 to the power 2 followed by an integer value I. That is regular language because it can be described using a regular expression like O0 or 02. Regular expression can handle fixed length, prefix, and repetition of single character. L. For this language represent string starting with 0 followed by an integer I squared. It is a non-regular, while regular expression can handle exponential to a fixed power. The exponential itself being a variable make it no regular. Regular expression cannot handle variable length exponential. Thank you.